Looking for the best gaming microphones for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 gaming microphones that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features, and many users, and if you can't find a gaming microphones that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended gaming microphones. Number 1 on the list is Blue Yeti USB. The venerable Blue Yeti was there at the birth of the streaming boom, and it's still a ubiquitous desktop feature on Twitch. And with good reason. It's just about the easiest mic to use on the market and really excels when picking up a single vocal signal at a time. Logitech's Blue Yeti is built to a very high standard and will stay where you angle it on its weighty stand. The design of that stand, along with the understated, retro aesthetic of the mic capsule itself, makes this the most stylish USB microphone, and that's important when you're streaming yourself for an audience of judging eyes. If you really love RGB and want to sync all your peripherals up to the beat of the same light show, though, consider Razer's Seiren series instead. The controls couldn't be easier to use while you're streaming. A single volume control and a mute button on the front of the mic are all you get, and for the intended purpose that's all you really need. You're never going to accidentally hit the wrong thing midstream. The Blue Yeti's 4 polar patterns also give it great versatility, so if you venture out into music recording or podcasting, you're not limited by a single cardioid pickup pattern. Second on the list is Elgato Wave 3. If you're looking for a mainstream gaming mic that's a bit more advanced in terms of features than the Blue Yeti USB listed above, then the Elgato Wave 3 is for you. In addition to working with the Elgato Stream Deck, opens in new tab, this mic comes with Elgato's Clip Guard feature, which successfully limited audio volume during testing. Fit for Twitch streaming, YouTube compression and high-res audio recording, the Wave 3's small build also makes it easily portable. This mic is similarly priced to the Blue Yeti X that's also on this list. However, Elgato's streaming mic only has one polar pattern type, making it less versatile than the Blue Yeti X. For a mic that can handle a broader range of situations, the Yeti X is still preferable. We also could use more bass from the Wave 3, but with its vast software and hardware feature set, like a handy pop shield, the Wave 3 is a highly capable mic for those focused on streaming. For a cheaper version of this mic, see our Elgato Wave 1 review. Number 3 on the list is Razer Seiren Mini. Not everyone needs multiple cardioid patterns and a pile of features. If you're willing to work with the best budget gaming microphone, the Razer Seiren Mini delivers, and in a variety of colors that'll add some fun to your setup. The Seiren Mini is currently just $50, opens in new tab, and it packs sound quality that rivals its close competitor, the Blue Snowball Ice. But Razer's best budget gaming mic sounds more dry and flat, which should be pleasing to those who prefer less artificial sounding output. You can't get better sound quality at this price. You will, however, be stuck with a supercardioid polar pattern only, while others on this list offer multiple options. Also, features here are almost non-existent. There isn't even a mute button or headphone jack. For a budget option with mute, consider the HyperX Solocast. Still, the Seiren Mini is cute, portable and offers simple, quality audio. Number 4 on the list is Beyerdynamic FOX. Whether you like to croon some tunes during or after your Twitch stream, this music-centric microphone is a great choice. Beyerdynamic is a respected name in pro audio, and the company's expertise in the studio carries over beautifully in this compact, no-fuss USB mic. Unlike the vast majority of its USB interface peers, the FOX offers high-res 96 kHz/24-bit recording quality, which is an impressive feat for a mic you can simply plug in via USB and hit record on. You might not make use of that extra quality on platforms that compress audio and video, like YouTube or Twitch, but if you're into podcasting or music production, you'll be glad for the option to go beyond CD quality 44 kHz/16-bit. On the mic itself are controls for mix and volume and a headphone mini jack input for inline monitoring. The preamp that outputs this monitoring signal runs a little hot in our experience, distorting well before the mic itself does. However, it's still a useful feature when the gain's rolled off. There's also a mute button at the top, and a high-low gain toggle, essentially a pad. At the rear of the mic, Beyerdynamic throws in a sturdy metallic pop shield that clips on without the need to unscrew anything, and you can angle the mic on its stand. The Beyerdynamic FOX is loaded with features, but ultimately it's the sheer recording quality and usability that wins out and makes the FOX our pick for home studios. Number 5 on the list is Audio-Technica AT2020USB+. Like Beyerdynamic, Audio-Technica is a hugely respected name in the pro audio industry. It brings decades of expertise to the table with the AT2020USB+. This is a medium diaphragm condenser with just a cardioid polar pattern available, which makes it somewhat specialized to lone vocal recording, but luckily it's brilliant at that very thing. In a straight shootout with the Beyerdynamic FOX, the AT2020USB+ comes incredibly close to matching the FOX warmth and detail but falls slightly short. Yet, the particular characteristics of the Audio-Technica, a breathiness and really pleasant high-end, make it perfect for spoken vocals. We recommend a couple of additional purchases for this mic, though: a pop shield and a boom arm. We're surprised not to see the former included, but they're inexpensive to pick up on their own. As for that boom arm, the tripod design felt a little wobbly during our testing, so we preferred mounting it up above us on a nice sturdy boom before hitting the record button. That way, we were able to relax and not spend our session worrying about knocking into the desk and picking up bumps and scratches on the waveform. Just now is a list of 5 best gaming microphones that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.